You've probably seen these types of videos all over social media, right? They rack up millions of views and help channels gain thousands of subscribers in no time. But the big question is, how do you make them? Don't worry. The process is super simple. And the best part? AI does most of the work for you. You're just 3 steps away from creating your own viral faceless videos. Write a prompt using ChatGPT. Generate an image with Leonardo AI. Turn the image into a video using Hailou AI. And just like that, you're done. But before we dive into the tutorial, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you find this video helpful, smash that like button to support the channel. Ready? Let's jump right in. First, head over to the ChatGPT website and copy the prompt I shared in the description. Then, paste it into the chat section. After pasting the prompt, click on this option so that ChatGPT generates multiple prompts for creating unique and high-quality images. Now that we have our AI-generated prompts, it's time to transform them into stunning images. For this, we'll be using Leonardo AI. Now let's bring our AI-generated prompts to life. For this tutorial, I'm using Leonardo AI because it's free, powerful, and super easy to use. Getting started with Leonardo AI. Open your browser and search for Leonardo AI. Click on the website and sign up using your Apple, Google, Microsoft account, or email. Once logged in, click on Image Creation to start generating images. Preset, select Flux Development for style. Choose 3D Render. Image dimensions. Click More. Then choose the ideal size for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Now copy one of the prompts ChatGPT provided and paste it into the prompt section in Leonardo AI. Once pasted, click Generate and wait a few seconds while Leonardo AI creates a high-quality, watermark-free image. When the image is ready, select your favorite one and download it by clicking the Download button. Let's try another prompt to create a different image. Now that we have our stunning AI-generated images, it's time to animate them and turn them into videos. There are multiple AI tools for this, including Runway, Kyber AI, and Pab's Hyper AI. But for this demo, we'll be using Hailou AI. Open Hailou AI in your browser. Sign in with Google. New users get a 3-day free trial and 100 free daily tokens. Click on Image to Video and upload your 4K upscaled image. Now, head back to ChatGPT and type, "I want you to create an image to video prompt for each of the prompts." Click on this option and ChatGPT will generate detailed prompts to animate your image effectively. Next, copy the generated prompt that best matches your image and paste it into Hailou AI. Once done, click on Generate and wait a few moments for your video to be created. Here's the final result. To download the video, simply click the download button. And that's it, guys. You've just learned how to create viral faceless videos with AI in just 4 simple steps. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the channel because I share educational videos every day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.